Well, hi guys, Dave Burns again here at Copper Gardens, and rather dissatisfied at the moment with my video setup. My GoPro has such a massively wide angle, I almost can't believe it. I'm standing literally behind it, and if I put my hand out almost 90 degrees to the side, it's not popping in right now. You can see it on screen. Where are we? Okay, none of this matters. Let's look at the gate. This is the reason we're here. The point of all of this is to let the new owner know or see what we've done. We took a kind of a giant leap with taking a chance on coloring a brass gong. We're calling it a gong because it's hammered into the shape of a gong. It has some of the sound of a gong, although in this particular setting where it's touching on one of the other elements, one of the bamboo elements, it just cannot have a good crisp ring. And I'm not sure we're going to get there. That may or may not be something that we should really struggle for. I think the idea originally was that we'd have a nice cymbal sound. I tried for that. I didn't quite get there. The look of it, we've agreed, at least through exchange photographs, is interesting and acceptable. Maybe a little above acceptable. I personally really like this, but I can understand where somebody might not be thrilled with this kind of peculiar mottled coloring. I've taken different chemicals, applied it very, very lightly, and then laid patches of exceedingly thin plastic cloth over, not cloth, but stuff, and scrunched it up and gave it this textury look, and that's one of the things I really enjoy doing. I think it provides some interesting colors, not always to everybody's liking. In this case, clients are geniuses because they liked it, and in my definition of a genius, of course, anyone that agrees with me. So I gave them the chance, and they still have the option. Since this is actually loose and removable, we can actually purchase about a 16-inch actual cymbal, musical cymbal. Well, of course, it'll have a hole in the middle of it, won't it, for mounting on a stand, so that's a drawback. But we could mount it in there and do something kind of cutesy and artsy in the center of it. So anyway, this is a 4-foot wide gate going into a stone wall over in Hawaii. I think it'll look, obviously, I think it'll look wonderful, but I think having started with images of the setting, I think we've captured what we wanted with the bamboo theme. By the way, it's very thick. I think we're almost 4 inches in total depth overall, from the 1/2 inch up to the 1 inch with some 3/4 in between, and 1 1/4 inch, actually 1 3/8 on the outside diameter of the frame. And there you have it. The latch is a finger latch. It'll be, I like it to be a little, this being the primary side, I want to diminish the impact. I wanted to diminish the impact of anything mechanical to whatever degree that I can, keeping the hinges diminished and the latch on the back side, even though reachable obviously from either side. And I have, of course, the corresponding mating portion goes with it. So there you go, another gate out of Copper Gardens. I'm real pleased with it myself, and I believe the client will be too. They'll be here in a few days to collect it. We're going to crate it up. They'll haul it away, put it in a container, and off it'll go to Hawaii. So I've now talked again, always longer than I mean to, almost 4 minutes. So we're going to shut up and let it go now. And thank you guys for checking in again.